Magandang gabi, nagbabalik tayo sa Trip Kita, bagong travel show ng bayan. We're here now at San Agustin Church, one of the oldest church in the Philippines. Ah, ayun, nakasulat. 440 years of Agustinian in Intramuros.
si Jones. Kasi umanggan si Jones.
Ah, dislocated at General Luna Street. Ah, yeah, katulad nun. Congratulations, Your Eminence.
Dito ginanap yun sa Rizal.
Oh, bagitin mo yung guest mo.
We have a special guest. Ay, Mister. Uy, can we invite you for some talk? Anong masasabi mo dito sa San Agustin Church, which is regarded as the oldest church?
Matanda na siya simbahan.
Ay, oo nga.
Matanda na.
Pansin nga namin. Kaya nga oldest yata.
Hindi na siya bago. Tapos,
Old, oo nga.
hindi na ako dito nagsisimba kasi.
Tin, 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 tin. May background music.
Basahin mo yun.
Tapos kunan mo yun.
Basahin mo ha. Go.
Church of San Agustin, oldest stone church in the Philippines. Plans were approved in 1586. Construction started in 1587 and completed in 1607 under the supervision successively of Augustinian fathers Francisco de Bustos, Ildefonso Perez, and Diego de Avila, and brother Alfonso de Ferrer. Its architect was Juan Machas. It has withstood many earthquakes from 1645 up to the present. It survived the British invasion in 1762, the Spanish-American War in 1898, and the Japanese invasion in 1942. The church choir has 68 carved Mulaves with Nara inlays, an artistic lectern and parchment cantorals of the 17th and 18th centuries. The church engravings were profaned during the British occupation of Manila in 1762. Ashes of early Spanish conquistadores, Legazpi Salcedo Lavizares, and Blessed Pedro de Zuniga, and others now rest in the earth's easternmost chapel of the transept. Terms for the American occupation of Manila were prepared in the vestry of the church in 1898. The first Philippine Plenary Council was held here in 1953, chosen as World Heritage Site by UNESCO in 1993.